My personal mission is to leave clients feeling empowered. So being able to see the satisfaction that my clients have, being able to go forward in their life in a way that makes them feel more free, more empowered, and seeing their progress and growth throughout our work together, it's very satisfying. People that may not have been able to afford these services but really, really need them can finally have access to them, and it feels really good to be able to give people that opportunity.
People who are requiring sliding scale or pro bono services often have some sort of financial component to what they're dealing with, and that look like. That can be true of any client, but you might see that more often with sliding scale or pro bono people, because obviously affordability is what's been getting in the way out for all of their other needs, or having to save up in order to be able to go to the dentist or go to that doctor's appointment. And it makes a huge difference in those people's lives to be able to find a place that is going to be able to accommodate them, because it doesn't happen very often. Sometimes when you're in the emails and it's like, oh, I can't afford $100, having to pay $100 per session because of my deductible, or $127. And then we're like, oh, but if you can afford this much, or what can you afford? They're very appreciative of the fact that someone is willing to work with them